Do you see what you're doing?
No. Go get that light over there.
All right.
What are you doing, man? Mike, really? You're still using these 1950s outlets?
Shut up, I bought new ones.
Oh, sweet. Guess it's time for some shop upgrades.
Cheers.
Wow, it's a lot brighter in here.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Anyway, welcome back to Monroe County's finest. I'm Mike.
I'm Nate.
And I'm Rick. And as you can see, we got some lights installed.
And we finally got rid of these ancient outlets.
Oh, that was close to my face. Wow!
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
That being said, we're gonna take a little trip back in the past to show everybody how this went down. I got this cool little gadget here that was used before, but I will say...
Before you do that, let's welcome to the New Year's.
You right.
And cheers.
Cheers.
Son of a...
That got in my eye. It burns. Anyway, see you in the past.
Well, as you can see, not only are they super old, at least these are 3-prong, but yeah, they're even a hazard. So it's definitely time to put some new ones in. I can't believe Mike's been operating the shop this way. But hey, it happens.
So we have outlets here. We got, I think, 2 along this wall. Mike is working on taking down some of the LED lights that we have. And we have a couple of lights along these walls that we're gonna replace. These guys already seen that light. Yeah. I'm gonna be the cameraman. I'm not working today.
You gonna hold the camera all day? You're gonna get some work done.
Hey, Rick, what are you doing?
You know what really pisses me off, as my good friend Mike would say? When people leave 2 inches of wire hanging out of a box. Like, really, another 3 inches was gonna cost you too much money? Even in the 50s or whenever this house was built, that was probably like 2 cents. They left not even, 3 inches hanging out of the box? There's only 2 fingers hanging out of the box. What am I supposed to do with that? Now I gotta splice it and make them longer, and then they've gotta fit in this little stupid box. That's what pisses me off, Mike.
I'm Mike, and I approve this message.
So we installed a GFI on the top. This is going to protect the bottom because it's so close to the front doors in case Mike decides to run an extension cord outside. I didn't want to see him get electrocuted.
I appreciate that.
Actually, it was more for your wife, but you know, whatever.
You're right.
I'd love to see you get
I
electrocuted.
bet you would.
It's a little electric slide.
So yeah, that's why there's a GFI on the top and a regular outlet down here. Gonna do the same thing on the other side of the door.
All right, so what are you doing now, bud?
What am I doing now?
Yeah.
We're gonna cut out 2 boxes in the ceiling that are gonna have outlets in it. If you can see, Mike's holding the light that gets plugged in. If you got them at Sam's Club, you can actually link 4 of them together. So we're gonna put 1 outlet center of each bay, plug each side in, and then just link them from there. They'll be on a switch on the wall.
daisy chain.
Yeah, nice daisy chain. And if you guys were wondering why Mike is not talking too much, he's still feeling a little bit under the weather. Very under the weather. That looks like me or Mike need to go up there to run some wires, don't we?
You right.
You want to do some rock, paper, scissors?
Rock, paper, scissors says shoot.
Yeah!
Yeah, send the sick one up there.
What are you laughing about, boy? You gotta record it, so you gotta go up there with me.
Oh.
I win. Still winner. I wasn't even in the game, and I'm gonna win.
Still champion.
Hey, I didn't lose, so I'm happy about that.
To the attic, boys. To the attic.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
How you doing over there, Nate?
I'm slowly making my way through.
There's that wire. Just whatever you do, don't step between the boards.
Yep, I'm not gonna do that. Alright, got it. Yep. Alright, hold on, don't stab through. Alright, I see you, I see you. We got our box. We're gonna nail it into this beam. I mean, granted, we're gonna go towards that hole down there. We're gonna nail it into the beam. We got our wire. We're gonna run it to the box. And we're gonna square it up so the wire's gonna go underneath these boards that I'm sitting on. And it's gonna go down towards all the wires over there. If you can see them. I don't know if you can.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, well. And then it's gonna go all the way back to where we originally pulled it through. And yeah, some good stuff. This is really tight,
It's tight.
but it's gonna be worth it for the shop.
Definitely.
Got my hammer delivery.
Yep, you do.
My hand's slowly bleeding.
Yeah, how did you staple your own hand?
This looks how I'm not used to the stapler.
Obviously.
You can hear Rick.
Ricky's dying. He's dying.
This is how I thought you hold the stapler. And I was looking here, and I was trying to staple the wire to the, board. And I held it like so, and clicked it, and the staple came out here on the bottom. This is how you hold it.
Yeah, okay, that's an honest mistake.
So I stapled my hand.
That's okay.
We're good.
Battle scars.
And I'm gonna go and run it down now. Which one did I staple myself with?
I don't know, but look at those things.
Yeah, they're
Like
sharp.
getting bit by a piranha.
Yeah.
So, they're back out of the attic. And Nate, Nate tried to come out the fast way. You're supposed to use the ladder, Nate.
Yeah, I slipped off the beam, and my back is killing me right now.
I was standing literally right there where the drill is. I was like, yep, he's coming through right to me. And what else did you do, Nate?
Back to what we did before. Stapler. This is,
Aim that right at Mike.
No, don't aim it at me.
how
So normally you would staple a staple gun like this, but this staple gun shoots out the top, and instead of the top, it shoots out the bottom, like that. So yeah, I forgot to tell him that, but all good.
All good.
You almost died down here laughing.
I was crying. I wasn't laughing. I was literally
We
crying.
heard.
So, be careful when you're doing stuff.
And when you're running wires, don't slip off the beams.
Yeah, it hurts quite a bit. But,
You could have landed down here, so
I could have. Thank God I didn't.
yeah. Because I would have tried to catch you, but I probably would have went running.
No, you wouldn't have.
Yeah, I would have ran.
Uh,
All right, well, back to work.
yeah.
Good job, Mike.
Yep.
Still dying over there?
Still dying.
dark. We got all the 4 lights hung up on this side of the bay. Mike, do us a favor.
Let there be sun.
It's pretty bright.
Definitely a difference here.
Oh yeah.
And we're only halfway done.
Yeah. So now it's working on the other bay, right?
Yep. Hey Nate, can you grab a tape measure?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Howdy, boys.
Woo! Hey, he's back.
Got some toys here.
Some nice lights.
Some upgrades. Much needed. How we doing?
That should be enough to at least get us
This bay done?
this side done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Illumination at its finest.
Sweet. So we got everything hung up, and now I think Rick is just plugging them all in, right, Mike?
That is correct. He's daisy chaining them all together, so when we hit that switch, we got light.
All right. Although I do want to say, watching Rick go and hang all these lights, I realized that we kind of took forever for that.
Well, he's an electrician, so he's got a handicap.
It took me like 10 minutes. They've been working on that the whole time I did the outlets. I'm not gonna say that, but I'm gonna say it. So one more and we hit that big bad switch.
I'm on it.
Oh yeah.
All right, Mike, hit that switch. Oh, wow. Wow. It is definitely brighter in here.
Yeah,
What a difference.
it looks good though.
Yeah, it does. That makes it better for visual aid too. That's for sure.
I mean, look at that. Let me show them.
Yeah.
Look at this. You can actually see what we're working on.
Yeah, and how dirty it is too.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's all good.
But we're almost done. All we gotta do is strap up, staple up some of these wires to the ceiling, and fix Nate's hole there that he's got.
Hey, I'll fix it.
Yeah.
So I think we're pretty much good. We are going to need a couple more lights. I would like to put at least 2 more lights here, especially so I can see my toolbox. And eventually, once all those Chevy truck body panels get removed, throw some more up there just so I can light up that little cubby hole back there.
Yeah, well, you don't have your, go turn your bench light on and
Oh yeah, that'll help a little bit.
at least they can see a little bit in the background. So it brightens it up. We just got one little dark hole here.
Yep, and a pretty
And a
big
dark hole back there.
So
All in all, it's ending fairly well.
yeah, it's definitely a huge help. I'm really enjoying the upgrade, that's for sure.
Yeah. Now they can see us in color.
Yeah.
Darkness.
Absolutely. Well, this is a great way to start off the new year with some upgrades to the shop.
I agree.
Definitely. And with that also being said, we started a Facebook group for everybody for Monroe County's Finest, so we can now interact with you more directly. We're going to be posting our videos, or links to our videos up on there, and also just sharing some funny stuff that we see online.
Oh yeah.
We encourage you guys to join us and post your own stuff or your own projects.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah, and we also have a TikTok, so make sure you check that out too.
Yeah.
TikTok.
Yeah.
We have a TikTok.
Yeah.
TikTok.
Yeah, man.
We'll leave those links in the description below so you guys can check them out.
This is Monroe County's Finest.
We'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.
Happy New Year's.
Yeah!
Drink a beer.